In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update a folder in Outlook. Whether you need to rename it, delete it, or simply add it to your favorites for quick access, we'll cover all these options step by step. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. If you haven't already signed in, go ahead and navigate to the top right corner of the window where you'll see the sign in option. Click on that and you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Once you've signed in, you'll have access to all your emails and folders. Now, to update a folder, begin by locating the folder on the left side of your screen. This is where all your folders are listed, things like your inbox, drafts, sent items, and more. Find the specific folder you want to update. Once you've found it, you'll notice 3 small dots next to the folder's name. These dots represent more options, so go ahead and click on them. At this point, a drop-down menu will appear, giving you several choices. If your goal is to rename the folder, you'll see an option labeled Rename. Click on this and you'll be able to type in the new name directly. Once you've entered the new name, make sure you confirm the change by clicking outside the text box or pressing enter so the change is saved. Perhaps renaming isn't what you're after and you want to delete the folder completely. Not to worry, you can simply select the delete option from the drop-down menu. When you delete a folder, it will usually go to your deleted items or trash, giving you the opportunity to restore it if you delete it by mistake. And maybe you have a folder that you access frequently. In this case, adding it to your favorites can save you some time. Simply choose the Add to Favorites option from the drop-down menu, and this will create a shortcut to the folder, placing it in the Favorites section for easy access. These are your primary options when updating a folder in Outlook. Renaming, deleting, or adding to favorites, all can be done quickly and easily by following the steps we've covered today. Just remember, whether you're organizing your emails or maintaining a tidy inbox, these functions are designed to help you manage your communication more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future tutorials. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to help you master Outlook and other productivity tools. Until next time, happy organizing.